The company, a major yogurt manufacturer, asked Avanceon to modify their existing CIP system to allow for better control and subsequent efficiency improvement over all aspects of the cleaning process. The Avanceon engineering team created and installed a standard CIP methodology that allowed the customer to ensure product quality, shorten wash times, and decrease chemical and water usage. The customer had multiple CIP systems that had been created by different programmers over a span of 10 years. As a result, the customer struggled with making simple modifications to their system or improve existing ones. Avanceon was tasked with developing a standard that could be applied to each CIP regardless of the number of solution tanks or number of circuits that each skid serviced. Avanceon worked with the customer and determined that implementing a pin chart solution would grant the customer with the most visibility into their cleaning process. The result? The new system has generated a limitless potential for savings. With the flexibility to shorten wash times for specific parts and equipment, as well as closely monitor the steps which send water and chemicals to the drain, the customer has been able to increase their wash efficiency while significantly decreasing their downtime. Standardization of the process has also led to a decrease in the amount of time spent troubleshooting, as technicians need only be familiar with a single methodology. For full details on this project, as well as other solutions we have provided, visit us at www.avanceon.com.